What up, guys? Doing a bike check again. Got some new parts. And I switched my bike to left-hand drive. Start out at the top. I still have my ODI long necks with Odyssey power ends, fluorescent pink. My United Supreme bars, 885 rise, 28 wide. My Sunday free stem I custom painted. My Shadow Hollow Bolt. I have a new premium headset. It's premium. Stolen thermalite spacers. I'm trying to get so you can read it. Stolen thermalite spacers. My best part is my new forks. They're the Shadow Captive forks. Shadow. And Shadow. They have female hub dropouts with a 26 or a 32mm dropout adjusters. These forks are amazing. You can see them through my frame. They're chrome. But I love these forks. They're so sensitive to the touch if you have run 26. And then my frame's a United Mothership V2 21-inch. I'm kind of a big person, so I need a 21-inch. I have the United Kevlar seat, United seat clamp, seat post. Shit. These are all aftermarket. It's hitting the counter. But these are all aftermarket parts. I actually never remember the name of my cranks. I think they're United Team cranks. I have duo pedals. They're actually pretty dirty for some reason. Oh, I have clay on them. Okay, it's fucking weird. United bottom bracket. And then put it on this wall. It's left-hand drive. Another duo. I have a United CNC sprocket. I have a mechanic half-track chain. And then I have the up front. I have the Cinema 777 rim laced to the brand new Cinema hub. These hubs are amazing. I have one in the front and the back. The rear hub you can switch from left-hand to right-hand drive. It's pretty fucking awesome. In the back I run the Cinema 777 with the brand new Cinema hub. Left-hand, right-hand drive compatible. Fit FAF up front. 2210. 2210 in the back. And then, yeah, I can give you a sound check of the new Cinema hub. Wait a sec. Let's make this. It's always so fucking hard to do. Yeah, like I said, it's not great. Should be getting a Shadow Raptor soon. But yeah, that's my bike check. Rate and comment.